Welcome to the Cottage Garden guided sleep story. We will begin the sleep story with a set of breathing exercises designed for relaxation. Find a comfortable position away from any distractions and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds, thinking about any energy or emotion you would like to let go of. And exhale for a count of 8 seconds. Release the energy and feel the calm wash over your body as you breathe in and out in a gentle rhythm. You are in a safe space. Nobody wants anything or needs anything from you. Again, take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds, thinking about any energy or emotion you would like to let go of. And exhale for a count of 8 seconds. Release the energy and feel the calm wash over your body as you breathe in and out in a gentle rhythm. It's a beautiful spring morning, and you awaken in your cottage, nestled in the heart of the countryside. Slipping into some comfortable clothes, you head downstairs towards the kitchen, where the aroma of fresh coffee fills the air. You pour yourself a cup and watch as the steam rises in delicate swirls. You take a sip and walk towards the back door, which leads you to your garden. As the door creaks open, you take a step outside. The spring sun beats down on you with a gentle warmth. It wakes the earth from its wintry slumber as flowers begin to push up through the soil. The grass glistens like tiny jewels blanketed by the night's dew. Around to the right, you inspect the vegetable patch that is tucked away under a window. An assortment of pots and wooden boxes in various shapes and sizes house your precious plants. You rub the luscious green leaves of the tomato plants, releasing the fragrant scent of earthy summer into the air. Below them, beautiful yellow marigolds stretch from the soil. Their sturdy stems support their heads as they nod in the breeze. In the corner of the vegetable patch, a lush bunch of basil thrives. Its rich, sweet aroma infuses the air as you tear a leaf off to taste. As you turn back towards the door, you are met by a long winding path. It stretches through the length of the garden. After a moment in thought, you decide to take a walk, hearing gravel crunch beneath your feet as you move forward. On either side, flower beds line the path. A breathtaking display of colors, textures, and fragrances have been arranged thoughtfully, creating a cascading effect of blooms. Towards the back of the display, delphiniums stand tall and proud. With beautiful spires of blue blooms, their green foliage is thick and hardy as they soak in the morning sun. Beneath the spires, cosmos, with their feathery, fern-like leaves and slender stems, offer a whimsical display of vibrant colors. Various shades of soft pink, reds, and whites sway gracefully in the breeze, capturing the meaning of the word, harmony. Nestled alongside the cosmos, snapdragons sit with their tall, spiky stems full of bright tubular flowers. On the ground, pansies add a cheerful layer of color. Their purple and yellow faces peek out from the green foliage, adding a touch of elegance to the garden bed. You can hear the gentle hum of buzzing bees, busy at work in the flower beds, collecting the sweet nectar. Further along, the path begins to curve, and with each step a soothing sound grows clearer. A gentle trickle of water spills from one level to the next, as you approach a small stone fountain. Birds take turns bathing in the shallow water. They chirp and tweet as the water shimmers in the sunlight. You close your eyes and take a deep breath, enjoying this quiet and peaceful moment. At the end of the path, nestled in the most secluded part of the garden, lies a hidden sanctuary. The path, having guided you past the trickling fountain, now takes a small turn, leading you to a serene alcove. As you approach, the first thing that captures your attention is the array of pink rose bushes that encircle the area. In the midst of the roses stands an inviting bench, its wooden frame aged to a soft grey. It's positioned perfectly to allow anyone who sits there time to take in the full glory of the rose garden. The bench offers a place of rest and reflection. As you sit down, the fragrance of the roses envelops you. You breathe in the sweet perfume and enjoy the tranquility that the garden has to offer. You notice a solitary butterfly fluttering in the air in front of you. As it gets closer, you can see the intricate details on its wings. A beautiful pattern of soft blues and pale greens. With a graceful descent, the butterfly lands delicately on the wooden surface of the bench beside you. It rests there, opening and closing its wings, basking in the warmth of the spring sun. Behind you, large green trees sway from side to side. Their branches stretch outwards, forming a sprawling canopy of shade and shelter, providing respite to those who seek protection from the sun's intensity. You can hear leaves rustle as birds play in the treetops. They flit and hop from branch to branch, engaging in playful games of tag as they dart among the foliage. On one of the trees, a swing hangs from its big, sturdy limb. It moves with a graceful rhythm in response to the gentle breeze that caresses the garden. You take another sip of your coffee and reflect on the joys and challenges of life. So eventually, you rise from the bench, carrying with you the serenity and beauty of this special corner of the garden. As you walk back along the gravel path, you feel refreshed, grounded, and at peace, grateful for the journey and the treasures found along the way.